Hi everyone, Nicolas Massi, Multihullsworld. We are in Port Ginesta, close to Barcelona, Spain, for presenting the first Multihull Fest about multi-hull charter and second-hand. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Andrés Oliva. I'm the director of the Multihull Fest. We have organized it here in Port Ginesta in Barcelona. It's an initiative that boats from Port Ginesta and also from multihull-friendly mariners. It's a group of mariners and harbours from different parts of Spain that are especially adapted for welcoming multi-hull boats.
Hello, this is Brieux from neeltrimarans. Welcome to Port Ginesta at the Multihull Fest 2024. We are glad to welcome you on this show. We have two very nice boats, Neel 43 Performance and a Neel 47, and for the first time, Neel is here in Port Ginesta.
We are here to push that market, catamarans market, that is growing up, and we need to push more to growing up faster.
We also organize in the Multihull Fest, we organize two rallies, two legs, and for multi-hull owners, just to have fun and to enjoy sailing.